excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can get $40 free PayPal money automatically into your bank account. Right, before I give you the details of what I have for you today, let me encourage you to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcasts from this channel. All right. Our first website, which we are looking at, my friend, which is going to facilitate $40 into your PayPal account, is IMGR Instant Messenger. Right. You earn cash whilst you chat. Right. So IMGR is a powerful messaging technology that dramatically enhances mobile texting communication. Build your brand with every message or connect with brands you like and earn cash and rewards whilst you chat. Earn cash and rewards whilst you chat with your friends. Build your brand with custom messaging signatures, free texting worldwide, seamless contact integration, free on iTunes and Google Play. Download IMGR today and start building your brand with every message and earning rewards whilst you chat. All right. I want to bring you to the points right here, where it says points. Earn points and turn them into cash and rewards, right? So earning points is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Download IMGR, number 1. Invite your friends and join in. Go to contacts, right? That's the process. Start chatting and start earning. Each branded message sent is equal to 1 point. Each branded message received is equal to 1 point. Okay, right. So you can see some of the frequently asked questions from right there. Right. This is the overview. IMGR is a brand messaging technology automatically integrates small, charming brand emojis within your normal chats with your friends and contacts. And you receive special offers, announcements, and discounts. And you earn points for every branded message you send and receive. Your points add up each month. You redeem the points for PayPal cash. Right. So, right, this is why it's free PayPal money, okay? In other words, like iTunes and Google Play gift cards, or even donate your rewards to a charity if you prefer to do that. Please note that a minimum of $10 of earned rewards is required to receive iTunes or Google Play. We'll accumulate your monthly rewards until you reach $10. If you select PayPal, there is no minimum earnings required to receive your rewards. You don't have a PayPal account, you sign up right here. PayPal is the easiest way of receiving money online, okay? Right, and most of the companies, they use PayPal anyway, right? Right, so these are the points. 90 to 199 points will give you $1. And that can be transferred straight into your PayPal account. Right. So if you can check the number of points right here. And like you heard that the points add up. You are receiving a text message or you're sending a text message, that's 2 points. You receive and you send, that's 2 points. 1 point for receiving, 1 point for sending. We want to find out if this website is a legit website. Is it a legit company or is it a scam? Many people have got bad experiences with websites like this. So if you click this button which says on the website, if you go where it says download right here, you click download, you come to this page where it says earn cash and rewards whilst you chat. IMGR is free and available on iTunes and Google Play. Right. So, right, I've just noticed that it's not available on Google Play right here. Right. So if you click iTunes right here, it gives you the ratings. Its rating is 4.0 out of 5 stars. This is a legit website. And our next website is called McMoney. Earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. All you have to do is receive text messages on your mobile phone once in a while, okay? So number one, click on the button to download the app or update. Open the file, the APK file, right? That one. Then start receiving messages and earning money. Install and earn money, right? Just install the app, right? It works on the Android phone. This one is available on Android only. We've got frequently asked questions right here. How do I earn money? All these questions are answered right here. Okay, right. So I'm going to give you the last website, which is going to give you easy PayPal money, my friend. So my last website, my friend, is called IQ. IQ is a revolutionary customer engagement platform that is changing the way companies interact with their customers, right? IQ allows companies to engage with an audience in real time based on who they are, where they are, by sending questions, surveys, polls, promotional offers, and coupons to their mobile phones. All right. So if you're an individual, right, you're coming as an individual right here, right? You're not a business. You're coming as an individual. So quickly and easily answer questions from your mobile phone, then get paid instantly, right? You click right there. Get paid to share your opinion. You click right there. So how does it work? You sign up, you engage, respond, analyze. So if you click personal right there, or this here, right? You get to this page. Companies need to know now. Business ask for your feedback instantly. Get marketing and market research questions straight to your mobile phone. Receive questions via text or download the IQ app. Respond to the questions and immediately get paid by your secure PayPal account. Right. So this website, my friend, is the best of the three. It pays you instantly. It pays you PayPal money. So how does it work? Right? You receive a text message and respond. You respond. So you're receiving messages straight to your phone, right? And you answer straight away. And then you get 25 cents for a text message. So if you were to answer 4 questions in a minute, then it means you have earned yourself $1, right? So you can do the math and see how much do you want, right? You receive as many messages and respond to them instantly and then get instantly paid into your PayPal account, right? So this is how easy it is with this website, and is the best of the three. So this first point is to sign up. Sign up and go through the process and start to do some work. So my friend, I've shown you 3 websites that are going to give you free PayPal money by just doing some simple tasks. You don't need to go out of your way to start making money with these websites, right? But let me tell you that there is something that is better, much better, 1,000, 10,000, much better than what I've just described to you, my friend. All right? I'll show you what is possible. With the same effort or even less, you can make much more than what I have described to you right here. Let me show you a chart right here. So this is the compensation plan of a company I'm working with, all right? And when you come in as a pro affiliate, right? And what I'm describing right now is called affiliate marketing, where you just market other people's products, right? You just look for customers for other people, other companies' products and services, okay? Right, so this is their compensation plan. All right. Look at this one. It's called Ultra Accelerator. It's a product. It's a digital product, this one. All right. So when you get a customer, just one customer for them, you get $3,000 right here. Compared to the websites that I've shown you, IMGR, McMoney, IQ, right, my friend, where you are dropping points and coupons and 25 cents, right? My friend, we're talking of $3,000 right here, one sale, okay? The other one, $999. The other one, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, right? For you to make $10,000 or $12,000, you just need 4 sales. 4 sales per month, you are at $12,000, my friend. And the good thing about this company is that they teach you how to do it. You don't need to struggle. Their teaching is second to none, right? So when you enroll, you are given a dedicated mentor, a mentor who is going to talk to you one-on-one. What I'm inviting you to do, my friend, is start to make some real money. And it's very possible to make even a full-time income using this website. So you can leverage the power of the internet to make a lot of money with the right education, with the right mentor, whom you're going to get through this company, right? You can make a lot of money, my friend, okay? So I've got a link in the description below, which says my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income on AutoPilot, right? Click that link. Don't be afraid to put your details, because that's the way you are going to get your mentor. If you found value in this presentation, my friend, let me know in the comments below. And we'll see you in the next videos that I've made for you. Bye for now.